As we all know, India and as well as the whole world is suffering from global pandemic, that is COVID-19 pandemic. And before coming some vaccines for this COVID-19 pandemic, you might heard some terms like phase 1 of clinical trial, phase 2 of clinical trial, etc, etc. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss about clinical trials in very great detail. Okay, so please keep watching this video and welcome back to my YouTube channel JK Learning Corner with this amazing video, and I hope I will make you add some value in you. Okay, so let's get started. So what is clinical trials? So whenever any medicine, drugs or vaccines comes into the market for the first time, okay, so they need to come across some clinical trials phases. Okay, so in this process of pharmaceutical companies and as well as the scientists participate in this process to study in the detail about the whatever it is coming, that is medicine or drugs or vaccines. Okay, so what is the need of these trials? Because as I have mentioned earlier, that whatever vaccines or medicines or drugs are coming for the first time in the market, okay, to know about that safety, efficacy and the ideal doses of that particular drug or medicine or vaccine, we need to come across the pages of clinical trials. Okay, so this is the need. So here in the clinical trials, there is the four stages of trials. Okay, uh, so those are phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 of the clinical trials. Okay, so I am here to discuss about all the phases in very great detail. Okay, so in phase 1, so this is the initial testing with less number of people like 20 or 20 to 80 maximum. Okay, and in this phase the uh, vaccine or drug or medicines will be tested for the property or vaccines and its tolerability. Okay, and in this phase primarily concerned about the safety and ideal doses about the drug or medicine or vaccines. Okay, and after that phase 2, in this phase the participants number will be increased. Okay, and this phase provides preliminary information about the drug or medicine or vaccines. Okay, and in this phase we checks the whether the desired effect is produced after taking the vaccine or medicine whatever. Okay, so this is about phase 2, and after that phase 3, this phase 3 is fully assess the protective efficacy and the safety of vaccines. Okay, and participants will be more than 3000 in this phase, and price is also decided in this phase itself. And this is depends whether the license in this phase, the study of this phase will be released, whether the license or approval will be given to that particular vaccines or drugs or medicines or not. Okay, so next one is the phase 4, and this is the last phase of the clinical trials. And in this phase, the post-marketing surveillance is done, and drug is also get approval from the DCGI. So after crossing all the three phases, so the if the drug or medicine or vaccines will enter in phase 4, so in this phase the approval will be done for that particular drug. Okay, so who approves the approval will done by DCGI or Drug Controller General of India. And after this page, drug will be available in the market. And in this page, more information about the medication effectiveness and other benefits and side effects also released. Okay, so these all are the pages of clinical trials. Okay, so after that, as I have mentioned earlier, DCGI. So in this slide, I am adding some facts about the DCGI. So DCGI means Drug Controller General of India, established in 1945, headquartered in Delhi, and this establishes standards of the manufacturing, sales, import and distribution of drugs in India. And this DCGI also regulates the medical and pharmaceutical device whichever we used in India. Okay, and DCGI also prepares standards of drugs, and approval of licenses for some particular drug or medicine or vaccines is also approved by this DCGI. Okay, so this is all about DCGI. So this is all about today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, then please hit the like button, and if you found it beneficial, then you can share it with your friends and family. And if you feel that I need to improve my skills in some areas, so you can write in comment section where I need to improve my skills. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, JK Learning Corner. Thank you so much.